Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing the Luxe Organix Beauty haul, guys. There, guys, we purchased this from Australia, guys. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for your support, guys. If you guys wanted to join me, what beauty products that I've actually purchased from Luxe Organix Australia, please keep on watching. These are all available here in Australia, guys. They're also available in the Philippines. Got this Luxe Organix Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel, and this is for all skin types. And this actually got a hyaluronic acid, collagen, arbutin. Same one, but it's actually in a big jar. A couple of keratin daily treatment for hair. So this is actually buy one get one free. So I've got the argan oil and the coconut oil. Organix castor oil, eyelash and brow growth serum. Look at, guys, for a very affordable and easy to use serum for eyelashes and for eyebrows. So yeah, so we'll see if this one works, guys. The Luxe Organix soft lip sleeping mask. I actually do use as lip sleeping mask at night, guys, and I'm actually about to run out. So as soon as that run out, I'm gonna go and try this, guys. Got the Luxe Organix Bright Eyes Eye Cream. Two YouTube creators in the Philippines, and they're actually beauty vloggers as well. And one is actually Anakai. Got a collaboration with Luxe Organix, and she's got the tinted sunscreen. So I picked up the medium shade keratin 2-in-1 hair mist and leave-in treatment. This also got a UV resistant. Does come in a different scent. YouTube creator and a beauty vlogger as well is none other than Anne Klutz. So I was able to get her beauty mist. She's also got collaboration with Luxe Organix. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will link the website down the description box below, guys, which is Luxe Organix Australia. And you'll be able to get all these products that I've actually ordered. And this is actually not sponsored, guys. I've actually purchased this with my own money. Comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Okay. Oh, it smells really